Welcome back, YouTube. So we're on this low mileage military green Jeep Wrangler 2-door, trail rated, and the customer felt that it was really rusty. I don't think it's horrible, but what we're dealing with today is these crispy transmission lines, and then they are definitely leakaging right up here. So I'm shocked at how many vehicles I see with leaky transmission lines or CP transmission lines and nobody does anything about it. People, transmission lines are a few $100s. Transmissions are thousands of dollars. So don't wait until it's too late. Don't wait until it's too late, Caleb. And we're actually going to replace the fittings that go into the transmission too, to speed up removal time, because you know they're not going to come out without having a problem. And then he opted for a new gas tank shield. And then I guess the next time we see him, we'll do a rear pinion seal. A rear pinion seal and axle seal is a lot cheaper than a whole differential, people. What did I just say, Caleb?
Don't wait till it's too late.
Don't wait till it's too late.